Guys, I miss putting out YouTube videos. If you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is Brian. I am a 22-year-old entrepreneur. I talk about credit cards, entrepreneurship, and making that bread. If you guys are returning subscribers, I am sorry for not posting a video in 2 weeks. I know it's been quite a while since I put anything on this channel, and the reason why I've been off of this channel is just because of work. It has been incredibly busy lately. The plan was, if I'm coming back onto YouTube, I want to be extremely consistent with it, so I kept taking breaks as I went on, and during those breaks I looked at other videos and I did a lot of research on seeing how I could improve my own videos. So if you guys can see, the background changed a little. You know, we got some LED lights up in here, we got a new desk up in here, we got a plant right there, and I really want to take this YouTube channel to the maximum level because the value is here, the entertainment is here, the subscribers are here, and the rest of it is kind of up to me to really optimize and make use of this. I don't want to be putting out bad content. I really want to be focusing on putting the best content that I can for you guys. Now let's get straight into the damn video. Is this the end of the American Express gift card hack? And I really want to talk about this because my video during the time of when I was a small YouTuber, it did extremely well as a small YouTuber. Like I said, it got way more views than it should have, and in that video I talked about what you guys can do with the American Express airline credit, and basically there's a little hack you can do, which is getting gift cards out of it and then selling that gift card on another website and getting straight cash. I know it helped out a lot of people because if you go on cardpool.com, you'll see a bunch of American Airline gift cards just listed on there now. Before I even made that video, I couldn't find really any American Airline gift cards. Now you'll see a whole bunch of them on their website, and I know people are doing that hack. But this leads to another thing, and it's that American Airlines has uncoded, which means they pretty much patched this hack, which allows you to get gift cards for straight cash. So in this video, the main point I want to get across to you guys is, where is the future of this airline fee credit? Are we going to still be able to get gift cards? I'm going to be sharing with you guys my thoughts, and I want you guys to let me know down below what you guys think. So if you guys didn't know, American Airlines used to just code the gift cards and the gift certificates just as miscellaneous fee/taxes, but now they made an update, and this update, which happened about a week ago, now this is actually getting listed as gift certificates. So guys, I believe American Express is taking steps now to really close up these loopholes so people can't take advantage of these things, and the reason why they're doing it right now is because, what I believe is because the American Express Gold Card came out. So ever since the Gold Card came out, I went from a Chase user to American Express user, and I know maybe hundreds, maybe even thousands of people did the same thing. And if the American Express Gold Card was a lot of people's first card, you'll see thousands of people looking to use that airline fee credit for some sort of way, which isn't using it for the actual purpose. The other alternative method that everyone started using that airline fee credit for was the gift cards. I think, you know, American Express definitely knows what's going on. I just don't think they ever really did anything about it. They make this airline fee credit extremely hard to use in the first place, so you know, I would say if we're playing by the game and it goes through, then it's completely fine. But now I think what they're doing is taking precautions with other airlines and other carriers to kind of code this and patch this up as of the moment. Now, one of the things that I want to emphasize on this channel is to be able to prepare for the worst. It really equates to business, to life, to sports, to school. It equates to everything in general, and I feel like this also needs to be emphasized in the credit card community as well. Now, worst case scenario is they're just gonna patch up this entire thing so we can't get any airline gift card credits for any of the three carriers. No one knows for sure right now if that's gonna happen, but if American Airlines has patched this up, then I feel like that is a good sign that maybe the other two airlines, which is Delta and Southwest, is another one. Ooh. Alright, that just changed. But that's the worst case scenario. The best case scenario is that American Airlines was just going through maybe a system update. Yeah guys, but that's really the worst case scenario, and we can't be all pessimistic about it. The best optimistic scenario is that American Airlines was just going through a patch or an update in their system and things are going to go back to normal. But like I said on this channel, we always need to prepare for the worst. Now, I mentioned this, it really is technically a violation of their terms and services because we were using gift certificates and gift cards to take advantage of a fee credit that maybe we can't fulfill in a year. But I believe, as people who use credit cards and the money that credit card companies already make, this really isn't too big of a deal for them. We are just taking advantage of a credit that should be ours. I mean, we are paying the annual fee for it. At the moment of when this video was recorded, I would recommend you guys to stay away from American Airlines until more people guinea pig this, and then we find out whether or not this is for real. In the moment, you guys can also check out Delta airline credits. Don't use Southwest either, because I read somewhere on the forum that some people's Southwest credit airlines were not triggering either. But I want to add like another hack in here that I read of. I'm not sure how verified this is, but I did read this up. But guys, I didn't want to end this off on a bad note. I wanted to add a little tip here. I want you guys to also verify with me if this is true. I read that someone actually went online and bought a ticket for $100 or less. They canceled it immediately. They got a full refund and the credit posted to their account with no clawback. But I really want you guys to let me know if anyone has done this, if this is true, because if it is, I will do a follow-up video on it, just seeing how verified it is. Because if the airline fee credit is taken away, there has to be other ways to actually use this credit, and the last thing we want is to claw back things. We really want to be able to utilize as much as we can on this channel. Now, the gift card hack, you guys, is really a risk versus reward game. You're putting your eggs in a basket hoping that the fee will trigger, and if it doesn't, then you're stuck with gift cards because most of the time they are non-refundable. Alright guys, I want you guys to let me know down below in the comments, are you guys gonna rush to get the Delta gift cards now? What are you gonna do? Because Southwest and American Airlines are just being a little iffy right now. Are you gonna rush things, try and get it right now, or are you just gonna wait it out and see how things turn out? Let me know down below what your game plan is. Let's have a comment down below. If you guys have not yet checked out our Facebook group, make sure you do. If you guys enjoy this video, make sure you drop a like. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.
There is no end in sight for us, nothing could measure the kind of strength inside.